everyone, welcome back to the Sarja Sisters YouTube channel. So today we have something really fun and special with the Sita Painam cast, which has my sister, obviously Aishwarya Arjun, and introducing Niranjan Sudhindra.
Hello everyone.
We're gonna get to know them and a little bit about the movie and play some fun games too. So let's get started.
So today we're going to be talking about Sita Payanam. That's our new movie and it's coming out on the 14th of Feb. And we've shot it in Telugu, in Kannada, and we're dubbing it in Tamil and Malayalam. So we're super excited about it. So we'll try and speak in all the languages possible, keeping English as the prime so that everybody understands. And officially welcoming Niranjan
Thank you
to
so
Sarja
much.
Sisters.
Yes.
Okay, so now we're gonna be, I guess, talking about some fun topics and asking them about, you know, the movie and how it was working with each other and like working on the movie, how it is, like really get into the deets. So guys, how was the first day on set?
I was very excited and I remember exactly what we shot also. And it was very nice. I was meeting him for the first time also, and Satyaraj sir was, on set.
Yeah.
So it was very exciting for me.
Oh, nice.
Yes. So on this project, let me add that Anjana's done a lot of my styling as well, especially for the song Asalu Cinema, which all of you all loved and spoke to me about. So the set designing, the colors, and all of that was done by her.
Fantastic.
And it was great to have her because today people are like, it looks so grand. So this madam here is the one who should be.
I mean, I had a lot of fun working on it with them. It was like working with family, so it didn't even feel like work. But yeah, I'm glad it came out well.
So since you reminded me about the first day,
Yeah.
I think I was pretty excited. Firstly, definitely, I get to work with Aishwarya and Satyaraj sir, and Satyaraj sir I've been admiring for a very long time. After Bahubali and all, he was like,
Yeah.
Kattappa
kind of a favorite.
sir.
Kattappa sir. And another, I think you should introduce another character of the movie, the Mini.
Yes!
Yes,
Stuart.
that's the main character, not another character.
I know.
Actually, we've never spoken
Yeah, we've never
about
spoken
it.
about it. I always wanted to bring
That's
it up.
a good one, yeah.
Yeah,
Because, that car,
yeah,
it just adds to the entire
Yeah.
movie.
yeah,
Yeah, he
absolutely.
is a character.
Amazing, I was excited to drive him.
Yeah.
And what a powerful car, and definitely a lot of memories in it,
Yes.
starting from the the way we shot all the dialogue portions
Yeah.
in the car,
Yeah.
also the travel. And I remember you driving it like a supercar. Like
I loved it because in Chennai, you don't get to drive like that because the roads are so
Shoot,
Yeah, yeah,
But in Bangalore, we went, and then I was like, Appa sat with me in the car, and I was like, okay, this is my opportunity. Let's just go. And he was fully for it. And
pasting the car. I'm saying, "Shoot, what is this?"
but yeah, that was a really fun day.
Yeah, basically నేనేం చెప్పానంటే it's a very important character film లో.
Okay, so what do you think? How is Aishu different from Sita, and how is Abhi different from Niranjan?
Sita, yeah, like as you guys can see in the teaser, Sita is like a pure bully. Not actually, the situational. In
Yeah.
the first half, I think, to convince that character that, I'm a good guy, takes a lot of time and effort.
Yeah.
But I think Aishu in real life, I think she gets to know how a person is,
Yeah.
without having to, pretend or something. She's like straightforward, intuitive, you can say that. So I think that way, and she's more friendly than Sita, for sure.
That's true.
Yeah, that is. I think Niranjan is more reserved, or he, Abhi is very out there, I feel. Actually, ತುಂಬಾ similarities ಇದೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. Abhi is very connected to his family, and I think you're super solidly connected to his family. And they're also very like, he's a very loving character. I've seen him be like that with everyone around him. Some major differences ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, but ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Food memories from set.
That I have a lot. A
So
lot
many.
of food memories. I think you should speak about this because we introduced you to so many kinds
God.
of food.
Definitely, whenever we are in Hyderabad or Chennai, the best delicacies, they know the place and they get it. And they make sure I try it. And I can't resist myself.
Yeah.
And actually, beautiful memories while I'm eating it, worse memories while I'm burning it.
I I know it's always like hard to burn off the stuff.
Yeah,
but
definitely. From Aromale Pizza. That
Yeah.
place is
And Ali, one puff pastry.
puff pastry, and
Pizza,
some sweet used to come. That gravy kind of a sweet
Yeah.
square type.
That is extremely famous in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
It's called Apricot Delight.
Apricot delight, yeah, and definitely they introduced me to muska bun.
Yes.
Amazing.
and
Yeah.
don't forget Consu. It's like
Consu,
the
yes.
main thing.
Like what is that? French toast there is just so good.
French
and the
toast,
strawberries
strawberries,
with the ice,
chocolate covered
chocolate.
strawberries.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ಸ್ ದಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Show you
Show
also
you.
was so good.
So, guys, what has this film taught you personally? Like for your personal lives, how has it impacted it?
This in the larger picture, I think the concept of gratitude, I think that really, struck a chord, and how important gratitude is. It's so weird talking to her. She's like,
I don't normally ask her questions like this, so this is very weird for me.
Now we're like answering.
Yeah, I know.
and also this movie is without, keeping it in your face. It talks a lot about women empowerment in a lot of ways. So of course I can't talk about it now, but since we, you know what I'm talking about. And I think it's the small things that matter at the end of the day. It's not about going out there and screaming, saying I'm a feminist. It's basic everyday day to day where people respect you.
Respect is the biggest thing, I feel, right?
Give you an equal, place in the society. So in that way, I think this movie has just struck the right, chords. Yeah, so I really feel that's something that's a big takeaway.
Yeah. What about you?
So obviously this movie has impacted a lot me, and definitely when we are in this such a fast-paced society where like there's so many things distracting us, and there's so many people coming into your lives, all new people coming into your life, you shouldn't lose the value of those who are already there.
Yeah.
So give importance to family, love your parents, and be grateful, like she said, be thankful for the little things in your life. Every small thing you should keep thanking yourself for.
Okay, that got really deep. Okay, there's one other
Because our
question.
content is deep.
Yeah, it is.
We go deep.
It's really deep. I think I've watched the movie twice and I've cried like so much.
The fun part is there are many men crying, and that's what, is
Yeah.
like, we're happy
If it
about
can move men, it can move everyone.
Yeah. Yes. Said by a man himself.
Yeah, when we had that small special screening,
Yeah.
I think my uncle's bodyguards and everyone, those who are related to the movie so much, they got connected and they're all weeping. I'm like, ಏನಾಯ್ತು? I'm like, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಣ್ಣ.
Sakatro.
So, how did you land the role of Abhi? Do you wanna?
So I think I should thank Dhruva Anna, So Dhruva Anna is obviously a big star Kannada industry, and ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ವರ್ಷ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಲಿ doing other movies and struggling. He has seen my struggle there. So I think ಅವ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ನ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು. And after that, Arjun sir called me and he gave me, after speaking to me and seeing all my work, and he gave me the role of Abhi.
So how did you land the role, Aishu?
Good one.
I ran the role. So basically, ಈ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಬಂದು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಬರಹಾಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ನನಗೆ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. And I was very scared at that point because it was literally my debut into Kannada movies.
Yeah.
And I didn't want to have that responsibility because this line was also very thin then. It looked more like it was based on the girl.
Yeah.
So I was like, what am I going to do with this? I'm very like, I want something that's a bit more commercial. This time when he told me the story, it was like equal, if not like the hero was a lot more like stronger or elevated. And the character, it's crazy. So I was like, this movie will definitely work, and obviously him choosing me is a big deal. Not just him giving you a movie, because that's understood, he is my father, but also him trusting you. That means a lot to me.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's so beautiful.
Yeah.
What's your favorite song of the movie? Which hasn't
Payaname.
At this point it's released, so
Yeah,
you
at
can
this
say
point,
it.
I think it's
Yeah,
already released, so and hoping it's already become a big hit. But that is, I think, the soul of
Soul of
Sita
the
Pai.
cinema.
It's the soul of it, and like we know how many singers we got.
It was wild.
It was crazy.
It was
We tried
insane.
so many people, and not we, Appa.
And we
basically.
came back to the first
First
one.
one.
First one, because we were like, that's just, he's nailed it there. So Satya Prakash has sung the song, and I think he's just nailed the song. So
Why don't you guys try singing it?
you sing, na?
I think, okay, let's all try.
Okay.
So Niranjan first.
No,
Oh,
together.
oh my God.
Excuse me, not individually.
If I sing, I think your subscribers are gonna drop.
No, I don't think you're gonna be a bad singer.
Yeah.
And not worse
Do you
than
sing well?
Aishu.
No. I dance well, I don't sing well.
Okay, then does anyone want to give us a track? Okay, with the lyrics. నవ్వులు చోట రావే పువ్వులు చోట చారే మనసే ఓ చోట గుండె తడిసే ఓ చోట ఎప్పుడు వస్తామో మళ్ళీ ఎన్నడు చూస్తామో రెప్పల మాటలు దాస్తామో గుర్తులాగా మోస్తామో పయనమే సాగే పయనమే చేరే గమ్యమే పయనమే పయనమే going on and on.
So we are not singers, please.
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
judge.
The song is
This is
beautiful.
so you guys can make fun of us.
Yeah, you can make fun of us, but the song is beautiful, so go and watch it.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we can't play it because of copyright.
So இப்போ வந்து நாங்க ஒரு கேம் விளையாட போறோம். It's called red flag or green flag.
So in the game ఏమంటే రెడ్ ఫ్లాగ్ అంటే చెడ్డ విషయాలు, గ్రీన్ ఫ్లాగ్ అంటే మంచి విషయాలు.
మంచి విషయం.
So good things is green flag, bad things is red flag.
ಸೊ ಮನುಷ್ಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರು ಗಂಡ್ ಮಕ್ಳು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟತನ ಒಳ್ಳೆತನ.
ಒಳ್ಳೆತನ.
So ಬಂದು questions ಬಂದು ಈಗ girls separate ಆಮೇಲೆ boys separate. So ನೋಡೋಣ.
చూద్దాం ఇప్పుడు చూడు.
ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ இப்போ.
That's a red flag. Clearly a red flag. I mean,
He takes 2 hours to reply.
But it's always on there.
Right.
red flag.
Yeah, red.
See, the thing is, she shouldn't want flowers every day.
Mm.
You should want to give her flowers every day. So you can't have stupid things like I want this every day. That is
Yeah.
not a good.
Yeah. Being too materialistic is not great.
You overdoing it also loses the value and essence of it, you know. Little surprise you should give
Yeah.
flowers. For nice events and dates, you know, you should
Yeah,
get flowers.
yeah.
Yeah.
That'll keep it special.
Yeah.
Every day ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, it'll become like what you brushing your teeth.
Teeth, yeah.
So it
Exactly.
doesn't make sense.
Yeah. While flirting, you can't call bro.
That's a
Bro zoning you.
But
Karma.
sometimes I use the word bro to Uma also.
ಅದೋಕೆ
Yeah.
ಅದೋಕೆ ಅದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರೇಗ್ಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ
yeah,
chill out
ರೇಗ್ಸೋದು.
bro.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't see
Yeah.
it as a big red flag if it's done with just fun vibes.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
not while flirting. I mean, firstly, it's such a turn off.
Yeah.
That's a very
That's a
woman
girl
thing.
to
That's a
do.
girl thing,
But
and
I
that's
feel like it's not any flag. It's just a.
Feeling.
It's just
It's
yeah.
parent thing. That's how women are.
Yeah.
They'll firstly say
But
they're
if you don't
okay.
communicate it, then it's a red flag. But I think you should communicate
Yeah.
it.
If you go
Something
like that for days or too many hours, that's a red flag.
because
Yeah.
you pile things up and it
Yes.
gets worse.
Yeah.
Yes, it does. What? She steals? That's so cute. Isn't that what flag? Green flag. Yes, that's very cute.
Please have my essence all over you always.
Oh my god.
That's a big red flag. Green
No,
forest.
green
I'm sorry,
flag.
green flag.
It is a green flag. I would love that.
Definitely green flag. Yeah.
For
For
safety,
safety.
no.
If it's really for safety, Is it?
I mean, it's just a red flag in the relationship, I feel.
Yeah.
That means you are not giving her the trust.
There's no basic.
Yeah, you're not giving
foundation
her
of
that trust, basically. Or maybe she's just overboard with her concerns. So it's a red flag. He can go jump.
Turn off.
ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನಾದ್ರು ಅನ್ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು, ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ತಿರೋ ಜಾಗ, ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಜನ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಚಿನ್ನ ನೋಡು, ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಆತರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹುಡುಗಿರು ಒಪ್ಕೋತಾರಪ್ಪ.
ಅದೇ ಅದು ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು.
ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹುಡುಗಿರು ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಯು ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಟೂ ಮಚ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಲೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಅದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗತ್ತೆ.
Everyone has their own say
Yeah.
in a relationship.
It's not a red flag. Some people are more sensitive.
But if you're
But like, will it stop the conversation fully?
I think it takes them a moment.
Oh, then it is.
then it's a red flag. If you're avoiding conversation
Yes.
with tears, then I
Yes.
think it's wrong.
If you are sad and if you want to communicate and get that thing better, then it's just not, because everyone is sensitive in their own way. What flag? Red flag. Yes, it is.
Platonic.
I mean,
ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ, ಏನ್ ಸುತ್ತ.
Even I don't think that will work. I mean, I might be old-fashioned or whatever.
I think I am old-fashioned too. A
Yeah.
little bit.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Once you've been romantically inclined with someone, you can't erase everything from your memory, at least.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I will have an issue with it.
ಸೇಮ್, ನನಗೂ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
I have an explanation for this.
ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್.
Yeah. I feel he doesn't need to check my phone as a joke. He can just check it even otherwise. Not even check. I think he should have access to my phone.
Yeah.
And same way, because there shouldn't be anything that you're hiding.
Yeah.
So you both should know everything about each other. So the fact that you're checking shows something is wrong.
Yeah.
You know?
You shouldn't have
Like-
phone anxiety.
Yeah, like you shouldn't be scared of keeping your phone away from your partner.
Yeah, you shouldn't do that. It
And
shouldn't come
should
to
just
that.
be easy. Is he gay?
He was so, yeah, is he gay? Because what if he's gay? Are you serious, Niranjan? Come on.
I'm possessive that way. Gay andre
Like Akash.
I wouldn't want to. Okay, maybe that might be an exception.
Because I understand when if guys don't like a girl having a guy best friend, because there's a huge thing there.
Yeah, I don't.
It's okay. I should have met him before. So
Yeah, you should know. You should hang out together. Then you're fine. If he's gay.
definitely, yeah.
Yeah. So otherwise, having just a straight best friend without your partner's knowledge or
And like keeping that a secret, or like your partner doesn't really get to meet them as
ಇಲ್ಲ,
often.
ನಿನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
that is very wrong. That is very wrong. That's very wrong. That's a red flag.
Yeah, that's a green flag.
Green flag.
ಸೊ ಹುಡುಗರು ಕೆಲವ್ದು ಹೇಳೋ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೀವು ಅನ್ಕೋಬಿಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
Assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ.
ಹೌದು.
Just talk.
Don't assume things. Be free when you're speaking, and you know it's okay. They might take.
Understand.
Yeah, they can
Give
understand.
them the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, that's fine.
Green.
As long as you're realizing and apologizing.
See, realization is the key to any relationship.
Yeah.
Because obviously everyone has their moods, and you know sometimes you can obviously go overboard, but realizing and saying sorry, I shouldn't have done this,
Yeah.
that makes a whole difference to the entire
Definitely.
you know relationship.
I think like a little bit of jealousy is
yeah.
fine, because that shows you care. But if it gets overboard, then that's a green flag.
Yeah.
So it's
The
a
red
mix
flag,
of,
you
mean.
sorry, red flag. Yeah. So it's a
Yeah,
mix
I
of-
think it's a mix of both too.
Same.
No, I think it's a red flag.
No.
I think it's too much.
Why would you want that even?
You gotta have your own privacy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll be speaking certain things to your best friends.
Yes.
Also, if you have something like that, you'll just drive yourself crazy too.
It just shows that you don't trust your partner.
Yeah. Absolutely. I think that's a red flag.
It's like red and green.
No, it depends. If I feel my partner has genuine concerns about it and it makes sense,
Yeah.
then it's a green flag.
Yeah.
If it's just like you're following this girl, you're following that girl.
Yeah.
If it's coming out
You should have logic base. Andre he would have thought about it a lot of things and seen their intentions as well. Adalla ittu, then if I ask someone to unfollow madam antadare, that is I think it's a green flag.
Yeah, of course. If it's genuine,
But
then
if it's like literally like, oh my god, why are you following this girl and this this guy? And that's just like
Yeah, that's
not
red flag.
trusting your
But can I
partner
tell
at
you
all.
who a real, I mean, I don't know, I'm again very old fashioned. I think if you follow just your wife, like, I think that's a very big green flag. And I think Yash sir does
Yash
it.
sir.
That,
One
yeah.
follower, Radhika
Yeah,
Pandit.
yeah.
End of story.
Yeah, I think, you know, it's really nice.
Yeah.
ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ.
Oh really?
ಮದ್ವೆ ಆಗಿ
So April ಅಲ್ಲಿ we know the one
ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್
follower.
ಅಂತೆ.
ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ you'll unfollow us.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್.
Fine, but I'm in awe of, you know, that.
Yeah, for sure. That's
So
healthiest
it's like
behavior there
just
is.
the
Very
best.
healthy. You're, you know, giving your wife that space of her being your queen.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಆಸೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಬರೀ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಮನೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ.
Yeah.
So guys, now we are going to play a really fun game where Niranjan and I are going to expose Aishu
Oh my
as
God.
co-actor, sister, on set, all of that fun stuff. So
Okay. Why am I targeted here?
I don't know. 'Cause,
Just cause.
ಸೀತಾ ಪಯಣ ಸೀತಾ.
she's Sita.
Okay, whatever.
Yeah. Okay. So shoot the questions. Whenever, like before take, she'll be like, and then she'll be like, she'll think of God and she'll be like, like 5 times.
No, I don't do that anymore, but that face thing is 100%. I do that a lot. Have you seen it?
I think I've observed it.
Yeah, you might.
So I don't think it's another thing that she does is the side eye she gives me when something's happening, you know, in a serious scene also she's like, she does this. And I hold it in so much. I'm like,
Oh, I try to make you laugh.
Nothing. I don't think she does
And
anything.
tell who's right. You take your guess.
I think she remembers something from her past to get the emotions built in and, you know, bring it up her face and maybe rubs her eyes a little bit.
No! Anju's right.
Really?
Yeah.
You know?
I don't do anything. It's just I try and feel the character.
Yeah.
And of course glycerin, because there'll be a lot of like takes sometimes, and you know, like you
That
need
I
to be
think
ready.
everyone does
Yeah, you
that.
need to. It depends. You
Most-
don't always use glycerin.
If it's a lot of
but
takes.
if it's a lot of like people involved, and then there are for technical reasons,
Yeah, a
you
lot of
have to
takes.
stop and different takes, then yeah, glycerin.
Funniest
Oh,
mistake.
Anshu.
I think while her dancing, this step is her favorite.
yes, that step. I don't think they'll see that because
You will
it's
not
gonna
see it,
release
and for good reason. Because maybe
Why
it
don't
is
you show the step?
No, I'm not showing it to you.
Yeah, please.
All I can tell you is that I hurt my leg after that step, and I wasn't able to walk for like 1.5 days after that. It was like really
Your knee was
hurting.
screwed up
My
because
knee
of that.
was really bad after that. You remember that step?
I think whenever she wears a red sari in the movie, I think that's a diva moment. I think in that song as well,
Yeah.
Yeah,
and during her promotions also, I think red's
Inspira.
just her color.
Yeah.
yeah, I
But-
love red.
Yeah, I mean, you look great.
Yeah, I think the diva moment is our Yevuru Keltava Pillar song. for me.
Yeah.
Oh.
And also her biggest diva moment, I feel like behind the scenes is just her. As soon as, right before she walks out of her vanity, she will spray like 50 sprays of this one
That's not
strong
a diva
perfume.
moment, okay?
No, I feel like that's a diva moment for you. And then she'll walk out and she will leave a trail of scent behind her. And I think that's her diva while being late. So.
So, what's the most painful moment and what's the most lovable moment of this Sita Payana for you?
I think painful moment, fortunately none. But like I said, there was a slight hiccup before we started off. So that was a little heartbreaking because this project is personal. And, you see your dad put in so much of his time and effort. And when something goes a little, haywire, you feel as a daughter more than anything else. So that was a little off-putting. The best moment is the product that we have in our hand right now. I think that is justified. The
Yeah.
pain that we went through, I think, is justified. now.
ಆಗದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ.
ಆಗೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣದಿಂದಾನೇ ಆಗೋದು. ಯು ಮೀಟ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಈ ಫಿಲ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್.
Nice.
Yeah. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು?
Painful andre I think more than emotionally, I think physically.
Yeah.
ಫೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Fight, especially that rabbit fight,
Yeah.
which we shot in I think Arjun sir's farmhouse,
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಕಲ್ಲು, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಣ್ಣು ಹಾಕಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದ್ರ ಥರ ಆಯಿತು. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸಿವಿಯರ್ ಕಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮೈ ಫುಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಫೈಟ್ ಐ ಕುಡಂಟ್ ವಾಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೈಕ್ 2 weeks.
Oh,
Like I was
God.
limping.
That's crazy.
So I had like cut in my leg, and not just me, the fighters and everyone who took part in that fight, no, like that was like terrifying for me. And lovable moment, I think all the scenes, like that impact scenes antarala cinemali, that we have our conversation in the car, and I think certain scenes, that hospital scene
Yes.
that we have had, I think you guys should see that in the movie.
ಹೌದು.
So that's, those are all like very, touching and emotional, and I love to perform such scenes.
You seem to give a very green, flag energy. So what is love?
So I think love andre honest ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Honesty ಇರಬೇಕು, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. honesty, ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮೇಯ್ನು ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. And don't disrespect when you're communicating something that you don't like. Just don't disrespect.
Absolutely.
Put it forth in a very nice way, in a calming way, and ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋರು ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ don't have anything else to be worried about. There's certain thing called love language. So you should understand the other person's love language. They should understand your love language.
Exactly.
So I think that is very important. Ad bandre, I think that is love. And apart from that, giving without expecting is love.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just keep pouring in.
Yeah.
Yeah, Aishu, you tell.
Yeah, you tell.
It's all about respect for me. That's number one. And then of course it's a lot of give and take, a lot of truth, a lot of honesty, communication. I feel these are all essential when you love someone, and just being genuine. I think that is just what love is about. And I think we have a beautiful scene in our movie as well, where we've spoken the basketball scene, where yes, you can react, you can go a little, you can lose your temper. That's human. But how do you make up?
Yeah.
Making up is very important.
Sorry is a very strong word.
Yeah.
And I think it should be communicated properly.
Yeah, I think you should kind of own up to your actions and apologize, even if you've acted a certain way, and that's what will mend a relationship. And I think all these things are very important.
Definitely. How is it for you?
Oh,
No, I think I also agree with everything you guys have said, and I feel like also in a relationship you have to have a good friendship.
yes.
And and also not just talk about things, but like do the things that you're talking about if you care about the person. And I think respect is the biggest thing. And as Niranjan said, like you shouldn't disrespect someone when your feelings are not, when you're not feeling well, you shouldn't disrespect the other person. It should be done in such a I don't know, mellow, calm way where you're making the other person understand. And you're not belittling, no contempt. All of that stuff is so important to sustain the relationship. And yeah, I think
Romeo
that's what-
agrees.
Romeo, my greatest love.
Yeah,
poem.
please be like Romeo.
Romeo.
He's a green forest. Okay, guys. Now that you've heard a lot about the movie, I think we also want to tell you that come see us on the 14th of Feb, which is also Valentine's Day. So we've made a movie with a lot of love, with a lot of sincerity, and we honestly believe that all of you will like it.
ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ಲಾನು ಫೆಬ್ 14th ಲವರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಟ್ ಥಿಯೇಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದು ಸೀತಾಪಯಣ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವಾಚ್ ಸೀತಾಪಯಣ ಆನ್ ಫೆಬ್ 14th and it's a love day. Give us all the love, and I think this movie is gonna throw the love back at you.
Yeah, definitely.
Sure.
Definitely. So I think everyone will be able to connect with it, and please show us your love on February 4th.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and don't forget to like.
Share.
Subscribe to Sajja Sisters.
Bye, guys.
See you.